Hey, welcome back to a new video. Hope you're all well. I'm going to show you how you can convert an image to a PDF on your iPhone. Let's get into the video. First things first, locate the photo that you want to convert into a PDF and select it. Now you want to click on the arrow as if you're going to share the photo. Scroll down till you see the save to files option. Select that and now save it in the desired location. Now head over to the files application, open it up, and you will now see the image in that desired location. Long press on it and you have all these lovely options. You want to go down and click quick actions and then create PDF, and now it will create the image in the PDF format. So now you have got the two images here, one as a PDF and one as a normal image, and you can obviously rename it. So I'll rename it now, and you can rename the old photo as well. Once it has been created into a PDF, you can remove the old copy from both the Photos app and as well the Files application, and you will still have the photo as a PDF. One of the benefits of converting the file from normal image on your device to a PDF is you'll save on storage on your device, which means that you can easily send it to friends and family using up less storage. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Be sure to stay tuned for more content like this coming soon. Peace.